Well, hello there, everyone. Well, tried to destroy that thingy, but we died so much, so I thought, you know what? Let's go mining and find some Libranium. And if you don't know, Libranium is what Black Panther suit is made out of. Did I just say suit or suit? I don't know. Anyway, just find Black Panther could make his claws. He could pretty much song about Black Panther. Oh wait, is this? It's DC. Or this is what we also need. Miner's Dream basically gets all rid of the copper and cobble. It just shows you the ores, pretty good. So we need to make these. That's the second power of this sword. That's ridiculous. Yeah, I've probably got power for this 500 plus. Wow. This diamond sword looked really bad. My pickaxe does more than diamond sword. So mod it. Black Panther would it? Okay. I don't know with my Libranium. Is that here? We need to cook it. Or you need a certain pickaxe that get it as a block, as it just showed me. Come on. Right. Do I need a certain smelter, maybe? Sorry for the wind, my mum's complaining to me to open the window. It's quite nice. Hulk armor. We just need leather and surround that. So, and that's super overpowered. Right, enough talking. Not talking. I need food. I don't have a lot of food. I don't need it. I'm sorry, it's a bit laggy just because I have the thing that I'm recording with, and that's it's lagging it a bit, but it's bearable. Right. I think I should be the frog. And I remember what button is to switch. Wait. It's not even the button. I thought it was that. Oh god. Oh. I'm a frog. I can't really change the perspective. Oh, this is more faster as a frog. Change to a human. Well, I'll be back, guys. Sorry for the delay. Okay. Just remembered we were going to keep mining. Sorry, pardon me, man. Ow. It's like, you can also mistake something for coal here, but okay, that's regular coal. It's just like this colour of the coal. This is darker. Oh, here's a good ore, guys. This is quite dangerous. It's chicken. I think this is how you get the chicken chest. But yeah, this randomly get a chicken chest. It's quite nice. Okay, maybe not. Oh! I'm sorry! I'm too weak to fight you. I don't have any armor. No, mistakes remain. There's a spawner there. We're still. Oh, I forgot we had chicken. Oh, that might be the different colour. That's just plain coal. Okay, let's just get all this coal. It's pretty important. I'm gonna cook this up. up here because there's some stuff that spawn. It's almost impossible to find, like chickens or get lots of stuff. So pretty much chicken or I need a chicken chest. Just copies all your inventory, doubles it, except ones that you can't stack. So you can stack pieces of Big Bertha, but if you don't know, it's the best sword. But you can't like stack the sword. So that's a big tip. If you make all the pieces first and dupe it, then you're just making the sword and try dupe it. I almost will go to bed and get this chicken. Oh. This is why hunger's a problem. Oh god. Yeah, I don't need this creeper. Look how curved this is. Might not survive. Probably not. But one more shot. Dead, see? Oh, gunpowder for ammo, nice. Whoa! Shut the door. I'm gonna die now, because I'm going to bed. Yeah, that was good bedtime. Okay, this is the other coal. I'm going to smelt this now. Hopefully we could get something fancy. Oh yeah, more chicken. Yeah, oh, finally we've got food. Okay, also cook some, or smelt. Don't judge me. Oh, some of these you need certain things to smelt with. Oh, got gold. No, hang on. Is that what you need for Black Panther? They always look the same, was it? Just a little line of blue. It doesn't make sense, but yeah. I believe this is to make a certain smelter. We've got fuel for a rocket, that's great. Should really start cooking that chicken. One bit of gold, wow. I'm gonna risk losing my only helmet. It's crazy. Also, here's if you just get one there, and just one bit of iron there, you make the sword. But how you usually make a sword, but that would be like just place usually, or how you use it, like make a pickaxe, but just place a stick with a bit of iron. Hit the thinny. Okay, how do you make this? Oh, okay, yeah. Okay, when this is done, we really don't need to do this. Sorry for the weight of the mine. That's a skeleton there. We have food. Oh, lovely. First, gonna eat the rotten flesh. More hunger. Okay. Or don't risk it. First time we have ate something and got full. We might need to bring our sword. Oh, it is a good thing. It doesn't matter if they're behind the wall, you can still see them. But for a second I saw skeleton. What map we have visited? Oh wait. Oh yeah, we need to visit here. Those things have a lot of loot. I'm sorry, I'm what Fortnite to call Minecraft as a default skin. Lots of skins are default, but different. I might end the video near the mine, so next time we can prepare for the mine. This is just going to be a series, like maybe until we complete the game, not just build until we got everything. Like all YouTubers do. Right. What's that? Rude. Okay. There we go. Deep. Ha! 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 Boom. Genius. Hang on, zombie. I need this iron. It's gotta be a spawner. Yeah, there is a spawner. Oh yes, got that. I'm a zombie now. Deal with it. Right. That's not a good place to go. I am very sorry, we have run out of time. I want this must skin now. So I'll see you all later. Bye!